So today I'm going to show you how to mm, make a YouTube banner for free. Okay. So before I show you um, how to make a YouTube banner, first you need to follow some guidelines or follow some steps that the official Google YouTube team has told us to follow while making a YouTube channel art. If you go to the Google support YouTube answer and uh, whatever, I will give the URL in the description anyway. So check that out. And first, um, just read through this. Okay, the Google banner art should be 2560 into 1440 pixel image, which is in other words before the 4K HD resolution. So here you can read through all of this to get a much more better um, idea about this uh, YouTube banner templates or YouTube banner channel art or whatever that is. As you can see, it should be minimum of 2048 by 1152 pixel or 16:9 aspect ratio. Now, the minimum dimension and say variable text logo. Uh, I will show you mm, this one a bit later uh, while making the YouTube channel art. Okay, and the file should be 4 MB or smaller. Now there are three major dimensions that you must follow. Uh, you don't have to follow it. I will show you what is the dimension and what is it actually. And so there will be three major devices for the YouTube channel art. First of all, the TV display, which will be you can read through all of this. Then come the PC or computer, and then the mobile devices. So I'm going to show you a channel art that will look like um, that will look like this actually. Please have to wait for it to open up. So we are going to make a channel art or banner, YouTube banner that look like just like this. Okay, so if you recall correctly, this is my channel art or channel banner, YouTube channel banner. Okay, mm, you can just scroll down and take a look at this, bro. This is my actual YouTube channel banner. So we are going to make something similar to this, and this size is perfectly visible in any kind of mobile or tablet devices, or the TV size is uh, this one. The whole thing is the outside area is for the TV, which we are going to talk about later. So later on this in this video, you don't have to worry about that. So now let me close this one. So for the first method, here you can use uh, Canva all if and only if you have a Canvas premium account. You can go to Canva. Here I'm at Canva and I'm logged in. So then you can search here YouTube channel art. YouTube, just search type YouTube and the channel will come here. Channel art. Then just go click on any, or you can start from scratch. But here, for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you how to um, and this method only applies if and only if you have a Canvas premium account. Now why am I saying only if you have the premium account? Well, that's because everything will go smooth and every other things, but when you are going to download it, or when you are about to download the channel art, the problem will appear. If you click on download, as you can see, there are a lot of things that are premium. You have to go premium to get the recommended size or recommended resolution, and for the channel art you have to go premium for the transparent background. You have to go premium for the higher quality, and on top of that it will leave a watermark by Canva. And if you are making a YouTube channel art for your official YouTube channel, then channel art with watermark will look ridiculous, and you don't nobody wants it to have a watermark. As I have told you before, that this only applies, and this method only applies, or you can use Canva if you only have the Canva premium version. And for those who have premium version, Canvas premium version, they can use it, and they can do, you can play around with it to make it the perfect YouTube banner. But you can also try it for free for 30 days, which will give you unlimited images, unlimited infographics without any limitation, or YouTube channel thumbnail, everything other, and many more. So it's your choice. But the next one is totally free. You can, and plus it has really cool, really easy layout, or really user interface for a beginner. It is beginner friendly. And third and most importantly, the download, you can download it, you can download the recommended size with the recommended resolution. And as you may have seen my channel art, it has no watermark whatsoever. So it's totally free and easy to use, and you can plus. So just let's go to the second. Now let me close this tab. Now search for Snappa. This is the tool we are going to use. Snappa. You have to log in or sign up for this and create an account here. So after creating an account, um, this the Snappa/app will appear, and you will see an interface like this. So you can create a custom graphic size with the preferable channel art, or preferable channel art, or size, recommended art size. But you can also go down, which is the which is much easier, and look for the YouTube channel art, and click on it. It has lots of things you can. Now you can, as you can see, it has um, a lots of pre-made channel art or YouTube channel banner. So you can choose from this, or you can start from scratch. So uh, let me show you something before I make some um, channel art or something. So first of all, click on the blank, and here you can see a interesting layout. Here I'm not going to start from scratch because for the sake of this video, because if I start making a channel banner from scratch, then it will take forever, like the video will become so long and something like that, and you don't want the video to be long, you want the video to be short and informational. So the let me explain something here. Yeah, as you can see there are there here you have TV only area, and you also have it on the back in the bottom. So what does it mean? It means this area and this area will show only on YouTube TV. If you view YouTube on TV, then this this area will show up. Now here maximum save area, maximum desktop save area, and maximum desktop save area. So now what does it mean? It means um, this area and this area will show up when you are going to use a maximum size desktop, which can be 32 inches or something like that, or maybe probably not. And this one is tablet area, and this one is tablet area. But you have to focus on this area, this white area, because this is the main area. The You have to place main and important things that you want to show for on your YouTube channel banner here. It will show up on mobile. This area will show up on mobile devices. So it's always better to um, leave the most important and informational stuff here, and so that people can see your channel banner properly, in or it will look distorted. So I think here you get the point, and I'm going to go back and choose a pre-made mm, pre-made YouTube banner. Here, let me choose this one. So it will load. So here it is. The main, as I told you before, this is the main area. This is the main area. Now you can also toggle this, but I there's always uh, a better option to keep it on, so that you can see what's inside this box and what's outside this box. So this box will this whole box will show up on mobile devices, so people will not have any problem with your channel art. So the people can see the channel art without any problem, or the channel art may look mm, horrible. So now here you can add background according to your choice, like let's add this card. mm, Now this card will the whole card will show up on the TV, YouTube TV only, but the some portion of this card will show up on this mobile, which is not bad. So let me remove this guy. Remove image. You don't need. We don't need you. Just remove it. Then you can just click on it and select all and hit 10 top 10 stop. And here you can do many customization, and as I told you before, you can also start from scratch and according to your choice. For the sake of this video, I just showed you this pre-made um, banner, and you can change the color or everything else, and you can change it like that. It's totally up to you, and you can also increase the size of this by you just check out my Snappa tutorial. I have given the details and detailed information and how to use the Snappa on this video, on that video. So check that out. Now here is the main important part: how to download this. Down, click on this download button and choose high resolution PNG, and leave it like that and click on it, and it will start downloading. So I'm not going to download it here, but you can just click on it and it will start downloading, and and congrats, your channel banner or channel art has been created for free. And one thing you have to show, you can also just save it, rename it, and just save it from here. Save it will save it in your account, so you can also do that. And to download it, as I told you before, you so that's it for this video. This video has given me a lot of trouble, as I almost shot it for 3 times. uh, I don't know why, but my screen recorder keep on stopping itself, and I don't know why it stopped a lot of times. So anyway, thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that I can make a lot of other videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.